Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to share a view in Airtable. This is incredibly useful when you want to give specific people access to certain parts of your database without giving them full editing permissions. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open your browser and head over to airtable.com. Once you're there, sign in to your account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your Airtable homepage where all your bases are displayed. This is your central hub for managing all your data and projects. Now, simply click on the data or the base that contains the view you want to share. For example, if you're working on a project management base or a content calendar, select that specific base to open it. This will take you inside where you can see all your tables and views. On the left side of your screen, you'll notice a list of different views available for that base. These could be grid views, calendar views, Kanban boards, or gallery views depending on how you've set things up. For this tutorial, we'll focus on sharing a grid view, so go ahead and click on the grid view option. This ensures you're working with the exact view you want to share. Next, look up to the top right corner of your screen and click on the button labeled Share and Sync. This will open a menu with several sharing options. From this menu, select Create Link to View. This generates a unique shareable link that allows others to see your view without needing an Airtable account or access to your entire base. After creating the link, click on Link Settings. This is where you gain control over exactly what people can do with your shared view. You'll see several toggle options here that let you customize the permissions and restrictions. You can allow viewers to copy data out of this view if you want people to be able to export or copy information. There's also an option to show all fields in expanded records, which gives viewers a complete picture when they click into individual records. Additionally, you can restrict access to an email domain, meaning only people with a specific company email can view the link. And if you want an extra layer of security, you can restrict access with a password. Take a moment to review these settings and enable the ones that best suit your needs and privacy requirements. Once you've configured everything the way you want, go back to the previous screen. Now you're ready to copy the link. Simply click the copy button and the shareable link will be saved to your clipboard. You can now send this link to anyone you want to grant access to your view, whether that's through email, Slack, or any other communication tool. And that's it. You've successfully created and customized a shareable view in Airtable. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.